How to make a simple chicken Alfredo, absolutely delicious. So I'm taking 2 chicken breasts. They're a little bit thick, so the trick is to cut them in half. Then take a pan and you want a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil and heat that up. You do need to make sure that you season both sides of the chicken with salt and pepper really well first. Then in the pan, place your chicken. You want to cook it around about 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other. It all depends on the thickness of your chicken, but it should end up to be really nice, golden brown, crispy, and of course, cooked properly all the way through. Then just place it on a plate to one side for a few moments. Clean your pan out and it's 80 grams of butter, 400 ml of double cream, and then 7 chunky garlic cloves. Yeah, but it adds to the flavour. Don't try and minimise on the garlic. You're just going to have to smell next day. You'll see some boiling salted water in the background there, and there is the fresh egg tagliatelle that I made in my last video. If you don't follow my channel, please do, and I'll put a link so that you can go and make your own fresh pasta. It's so simple. Add a good grating of pepper and, of course, a pinch of nutmeg to your cream mixture. Just stir that round just for a moment or two, because then we're going to add in 100 grams of grated parmesan. Again, it's going to come up as this beautiful, unctuous, creamy, cheesy sauce. So delicious, just as this. Yeah, you could actually just dip bread into this and be quite happy. Bit like a Swiss fondue. But then when your egg tagliatelle is cooked, if you're using the fresh one, it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So I just take my nice little spaghetti fork there and just pop it over. I will put all the link to all these gadgets in the bio, so don't worry. Heat it through, place it in a bowl, and then just slice your chicken and add it to the top along with any parsley or basil as a garnish. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.